Okay, let's do the next exercise, children. Let's read the heading carefully. Look at the picture. You want to look at the picture and write the ing ending word. Okay, we are going to look at the picture, okay, and write the ing ending word. For example, listen, I've told you study, but if you add ing to it at the end of the word, then it will become studying. Okay, I will do one exercise, one box. If I complete the one box, then you can understand easily, children. Let's do it. Okay, see here, look at the picture here carefully, children. What they are doing, they are study. Okay, this is a study, isn't it? A study process. Studying. STUDY. If you add ing, what is the sound of the ing? Ing, isn't it? I've told you already. What is the sound of the ing? Ing. Okay, then studying. Studying. Okay, let's do the next picture. What is this? She is sleeping. Very good. See, she is sleeping. Okay, just write the word sleep, then we are going to add a ing. Yes, L-E-E-P, sleep. Then I'm going to add a ing here. ing. Sleeping. Sleeping. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to the here. Listen here. She is cook something, isn't it? So cook. The cook is a correct word. Okay, let's write the word cook. Cook. You are having a O longer. Cook. Then I'm going to add a ing here. ing. Cooking. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is the action is going here? Yes, she is jump, isn't it? She is a jump. Very good. Let's write the spelling for the jump. Jump. Okay. Now I'm going to add this ing here. ing. Jumping. Jumping. Okay. One more time, children. I'm just revising. What is the sound of ing? Ing. What is the sound of ing? Ing. Okay. Let's see the next picture. Let's see. She is wash something, isn't it? She is washing something, isn't it? Okay. Let's write the wash. W-A-S-H. Then I'm going to add this ing. I-N-G. Washing. Okay, wash is a word. We are going to add ing. Then after adding the ing, then will become a washing. Okay, what is the sound of ing? Ing. Washing. Okay, let's see here. What is this? He is drinking, isn't it? He is drinking the water. Okay, let's write drink. 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 I'm going to add ing. Drinking. Okay, drinking. Okay, let's move to the next picture. See this next picture. What she is doing? Yes, she is stretching something, isn't it? The action is stretch. So I'm going to write the stretch here. Stretch. Then as usual I'm going to add a ing letter in stretching. Stretching. Okay, let's move to this picture. See here, what is this? Yes, this is swing. So I'm going to write the word swing here. Then I'm going to add ing. What is the sound of the ing word? Ing. Don't forget, children, what is the sound of the ing word? Ing. Swinging. Swinging. Okay, let's see the next two pictures also. Okay, children, let's do the next picture. Let's do the next exercise, children. Read the heading carefully. Using the picture clues. Okay, we want to see the picture and we want to identify some clues from the picture. Okay, then filling the blank with ing word. Okay, children. Okay, first step. This is a 3-step process. First step, we want to identify the picture first. Then we want to get some idea what the word actually comes to the box. Then we are going to add the ing to the word which we are going to write it in the box. If you don't understand, okay, let me just allow me free. I'm going to do a one exercise, then you can understand it very betterly. Let's do the exercise. Okay, listen it carefully, children. Look at the picture carefully, children. What is this? This is a dog. I know it's a dog. What the action is the dog is doing? Listen the picture carefully, children. Then tell me the action. What dog's doing? Yes, the dog shouting, isn't it? She's shouting. What is a shout? Okay, if we will shout, then we will say shout. If a man says, we will shout. But if a dog makes some noise, what is a dog's noise? We will say bark, bark. Okay, we already seen the word bark. Okay, bark. This is a B A R K, bark. I'm just finding out the word bark. Then I'm going to add ing to it. Barking. The dog is barking. Okay, what is the meaning for the dog is barking? Yes, dog is barking means a dog is doing some noisy. Yes, isn't it? The dog is making some noise. The dog noise, we will say the dog noise of the dog is bark. If you add ing, then it will become a barking. The dog is barking. Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is, yes, this is the two boys or shout. Isn't it? They are making some noises, something quarreling. They are putting a fight. They are shouting. Isn't it? Shout. Shout. S-H. Ow. What is the spelling for the ow? You are going to tell me. I have told you already. What is the sound of the 2-letter word O-U? Yes. O-U have a ow. Ow. Shout. Okay. Now the third process is I'm going to add which 3-letter? Yes, I-N-G, 3-letter. Shouting. Shouting. The men are shouting, isn't it? If a one boy or one, we can say man. If a more than one man, we will say it men. Okay, children, they both are shouting. The men are shouting. Okay, let's move to this picture. See the picture carefully. Do you know what is the action was going here, isn't it? Do you all aware about the action was going here? Let's listen it carefully and look at the picture carefully, and you are going to tell me that what the action actually going in the picture. Yes, shoot. She is shoot something, isn't it? So let's write the spelling for shoot first, then I will add the ing form. Now I'm going to add ing. Shooting. The man is shooting. Okay, the man is shooting someone, isn't it? The man is shooting. Okay, let's move to the next picture. See here, there is a leaves in the tree, isn't it? Look at the picture carefully, children. There is a leaves in the picture. Okay, the leaves are getting dropped, isn't it? If the air blows, the leaves get drops into the land, isn't it? Drop down. Okay, the action was going here is drop. Let's write the spelling for drop first, then I will add the ing. This is the spelling for drop. I'm going to add the ing. Dropping. dropping. Okay. What is the sound of the 3-letter word ing? Ing. Ing. Okay. Let's do the next exercise. Next picture. The kid, he is a boy, and he is, what action was doing in the picture? Yes, he eat grapes, isn't it? Eat. So the action is eat. E-A-T, eat. I'm going to add ing. Then it become eating. The kid is eating grapes. Okay, let's look at this picture. The palm dash the drums. Okay, the palm is making the drums, isn't it? Or beating. So if the drums means, then we will say it beat. If your beat means beat the drum, then you will get the nice sound, isn't it? So I'm going to write the first beat, B-E-A-T, beat. Then I'm going to add I-N-G. The palm is beating the drum. She is beating the drum. Okay, children? Okay, so far we have seen the picture. On that picture, we have some clues and find it out the what action was going on the picture. Then we write it on the particular boxes. Okay, for example, the dog is bark. So bark, then we add the ing form. Okay, if we add ing, it means the action is going. The dog is barking means the dog is still barking. Still barking, its meaning is still barking. Okay, the dog is barking. B-A-R-K-I-N-G, barking. The man is shooting. He is shooting someone or something. S-H-O-O-T-I-N-G, shooting. Okay, listen, this picture, the kid is eating grapes, isn't it? He is eating. The action is actually eat. So if you add ing, then it will become eating. Ing. Okay, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. Okay, see here in this picture, the two men are shouting, isn't it? The two men are shouting. S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G, shouting. Okay, let's see this picture. The leaves get drops, isn't it? If the leaves get dry, then the leaves get drops from the tree. You know it, isn't it? Okay, dropping. G-R-O-P-I-N-G, dropping. The palm is beating the drums. B-E-A-T-I-N-G, beating. Okay, so one more time, I'm just telling the sound of the ing. What is the sound of the ing? Ing. What is the sound of the ing? Ying. Okay, so far we have learnt the sound of the ing. What is the sound of the ing? Ying. Okay, if we add ying, that is, if we add ing to the word, it means, what is the meaning means? The action is going on. The action is going on. Still now. Okay, children, do you understand? Let's move to the next exercise.